In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively collect responses from Google Forms, ensuring that you can seamlessly gather and analyze the data you need. First things first, let's head over to Google Forms. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll want to take a moment to do that now. Once you're in, you'll notice several templates you can choose from if you're starting fresh. Choose the template that best suits your purpose, or if you've already created a form, go ahead and open it. With your form open, the next step is to ensure it's ready for distribution. Check your questions and make sure they're clear and concise. Also, decide whether you want these questions to be mandatory by ticking the required boxes. Now that the form is set, you're probably thinking about how to start collecting these responses. Click the Send button in the upper right corner. Here you can choose several ways to distribute your form. If you're opting for email, simply enter the recipient's emails. You can also add a personalized message to provide context before the form link if needed. Alternatively, you can copy the link for a broader distribution, such as sharing on a website or social media. Once your form is distributed and responses start coming in, you'll want to know how to access them. In your Google form, you'll see a tab labeled Responses at the top next to the Questions tab. Clicking here will open a summary of all submissions. You can directly view charts and graphs that Google Forms automatically generates to help make sense of your data. Now, let's talk about organizing these responses. It's often helpful to have them in a spreadsheet for further analysis. Google has made this easy by integrating Google Sheets. Click the green Sheets icon on the Responses tab to create a new spreadsheet. This will allow you to see each response in detail, with timestamps included, making it easier to sift, sort, and manipulate the data as needed. In some cases, you might need to download these responses to work offline or meet other requirements. For that, go to your newly created Google Sheet, click File, and then Download. You'll see several options like Excel, PDF, and others. Select the format most useful for your task. This gives you the flexibility to have your data available not only online but offline as well. That's all there is to it. Successfully collecting and reviewing responses from Google Forms is an incredibly straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Hopefully, this video has given you a clearer idea of how to set up, distribute, and process the responses effectively. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to gather the information you need with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any further questions or for additional tutorials.